आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि यू आर ऑन दैट route to manifestation, you are kind of aligning your energy to bring some desire into your life. It could be a person, it could be a goal, it could be exam results, it could be money, it could be health, it could be any other thing, a trip or whatsoever. But then manifestation is a journey wherein you don't have any evidence कि यार जो कर रहे हैं टाइम पास कर रहे हैं या फिर सच में कुछ हो भी रहा है. तो I have as I told you all already, been on this route for last 4 to 5 years. And let me tell you, you might be shocked कि whenever your manifestations are coming true ना, कुछ चीज़ें होती है और वो आपको एविडेंस देती है, वो आपको प्रूफ देती है कि थिंग्स व्हाट वी आस्क्ड फॉर is soon gonna turn into a reality, and that boosts our confidence, that makes us happier, and that reassures us कि नहीं यार, we are not just passing time, we are actually on the right direction. Because यहाँ पे कोई physical evidence, कोई हमें कोई documentary evidence नहीं मिल रहा ना कि यार जो तुम कर रहे हो वो सही है या फिर नहीं सही है. So here in this video I'm gonna tell you certain signs that give you a proof whatever you have asked for is coming true for sure sooner or later. And that most importantly, whatever you are continuing, whatever your regime is, जो आप कर रहे हो, meditate कर रहे हो, better efforts दे रहे हो, वो करते रहो क्योंकि चीज़ें होने वाली हैं. तो आई एम श्योर कि आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा होगा, इसलिए मैं फटाफट से वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ. वीडियो शुरू करने के पहले मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा अगर ये टॉपिक आपको ऑलरेडी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि whatever I speak on this channel, whatever information I deliver on this channel is 80% out of my own experiences, is no bookish ज्ञान as such. और जब आप मेरे वीडियोस को देखोगे you will yourself align with it कि नहीं यार ये जो भी बोल रही है that is definitely some experience she is speaking, right? तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा. और पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, मेंटल डेवलपमेंट और ओवरऑल ग्रोथ के ऊपर वीडियोस चाहते हैं, इस पे इंस्पिरेशन चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना कंसिडर ज़रूर करिएगा. Now let's quickly jump in. Well, the first sign that I can think of relate from the past is you getting a loner. Now there's difference between being alone and difference, being somebody who is okay with himself or herself. Now, whenever I made very big goals in my life, I wanted to manifest things in my life, I always felt that there were variety of emotions coming before that. Usually it happens in the form of a broken relationship. It happens in the form of a bad result, a failed result. For me, this has happened all the time. In other words, होता क्या था? And also one thing, if you want my videos to be in Hindi language more, purely in English language, or you're okay with English, a mix of Hindi and English, you can just put it down in the comment section so that I get an idea. Yeah, so talking about point number one, the sign number one that your manifestation is coming is that you tend to get disoriented in emotions. I mean, there is a lot of emotional blockage also and a lot of emotional flow also. In short, a lot of emotional volcanic eruption in your life. You'll understand why is it happening, why am I feeling so sad or silent, or a burst of emotions are coming out. That is because, understand, this is gonna be hard, that's because whatever you have asked for, if it was true, if it was something that you really wanted, if it was your pure intention, universe has listened to it. But now universe wants you to be ready for it. But right now you are emotionally unstable, you are stability nahi hai tumhare andar. So something will happen that will kind of try to destroy you, that will kind of make you just be away from people and be with your emotions, tackle your own emotions. And that is how kind of the universe makes you stable and more receptive for your bigger goals. Because now after that emotional damage, you become a level 1 or 2 or 10 levels above mature. Did you understand that? Right, guys? So yeah, this is always that happened with me. Some or the other thing would happen, a broken, trust or relationship, or some bad, results in exams, and that would make me fall into that emotional turmoil, and then I would just separate myself from people. I would rather be lost, in other words. But then over time, it takes a lot of time. It might take 1 year, it might take 6 months, depends upon कि कितना एक्सपीरियंस है आपके पास खुद के इमोशंस को मैनेज करने का, एंड दैट हैपन्स. और लॉजिक क्या था वो मैंने आपको बता दिया. नंबर 2 अगेन इज दैट यू स्टार्ट सीइंग some alignment signs in terms of some numbers, in terms of something or the other thing. For me it always happens. For example, my life में, मेरे life में ना, you know, having a goal and manifesting it side by side simultaneously has become a way of living. It's my second way of living, rather it has become a first way of living for me. So कहने का मतलब है कि when I put a goal, universe kind of reassures me by showing signs like 11, 111, 222, 333, 11, 11, 12, 12, whatsoever, repeated signs everywhere. I mean, there have been times you will be shocked to know that each time I pick up my phone, it's 10, 10, then 11, 11, then 12, 12, then 111, on the book pages, on the digital clock, on, you know, kind of car ka piche ka, you know, that number plate, everywhere, everywhere. And it happens to a level, it doesn't happen just once or twice, it happens to a level that you're like, oh, come on man, something is fishy here. So now that is now angelic numbers are all over the internet, are all over astrology, and of course numbers matter a lot. So that, अब आप बहुत सारे लोगों को ये थोड़ा सा इम्प्रैक्टिकल लग रहा होगा, बट देन अगेन इट इज़ अ reassurance sign that you are on the right path, and it's not that universe is not listening to you. It's, you are not actually lonely. He is listening, but some power is listening to you, right? And number 3 that has happened with me many times, multiple times, is that I tend to meet people, or I tend to meet acquaintances who can help me reach there. Now this has not happened multiple times with me, but coming across certain videos or coming across certain people who can help me, fasten that journey. So in my life I have had set certain goals, certain big goals, and to my wonder I met certain people who kind of helped me move into that faster. So yeah, that being said, when your goals are pure, they are true, and when you have belief in yourself and your dreams, definitely universe will align certain people who will be best suited for you in that particular moment to help you sail further, right? They will be like connecting dots, they will be like a bridge, who will help you, give the rightmost information, rightmost help at that particular point, or just be there for you in any other form, as a friend, as a guide, as a mentor, whatsoever, and will help you trial into that, embark on that journey and be on that journey faster, and all of that. So yeah, these are certain signs that I can help recall myself. And also one more thing, one bonus, is that it happens to certain people and certain not, but for me, all the time when I felt that my manifestation is coming true, my kind of I became more spiritual each time. Every time I became more and more spiritual. Now spiritual doesn't mean that you are becoming more atheist, that आप ज़्यादा पाठ पूजा करने लग जाते हो. No, you tend to meditate a lot, you tend to understand yourself a lot. So self-awareness, self-consciousness, which is another form of spiritualism, that tends to happen a lot with yourself. You are no more a people pleaser, you are no more a party person. I'm not saying that party is bad. You're no more alcoholic, you're no more materialistic. You're no more rather just focused on others. You're more into yourself. So that's self-consciousness, that's self-awareness, that's when you work on yourself more and more. So all these 4 points actually were certain signs wherein my manifestation was very close. And I'm sure after watching this video, if certain things are happening, 1 or 2 or a combination of all things are happening with you, that's a reassurance. And of course this video is again a reassurance to you that no, you are on the right path. You just need to persist more, be more consistent, have faith, and have some godlike kind of spirit, or your own god, or something that you are connected with. Because on this journey to manifestation, it at times becomes very lonely. You must have a higher self of yourself, a god, some deity, some goddess with whom you connect to, with whom you speak at the end of the day, to whom you thank for giving you that level of patience and strength that you're able to go through all of that. So be connected with some or the other thing. It could be some mantra, it could be anything, it could be a portrait, it could be a god, or anybody you have been connected with since your childhood, or anybody else, just say कि there you just don't get absolutely lonely. So yeah, I hope this video gives you more strength, and if you have some related comments or compliments about the video or certain questions, you can just use the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you all. Thank you so much.